I, Lion MJF Jairaj Prakash, President of Lions Club, Mangalore, call this meeting to order.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
We salute our national flag and pledge our allegiance to the same. Its honor and its glory depend upon the zeal and assiduity with which each one of us will shoulder his responsibilities of a good citizen. Its history, written in letters of gold, inspires us to put in good work for the fair name of our country. We declare our unflinching loyalty to our national flag and maintain that its course shall be our course and that each individual amongst us shall make genuine efforts to add to its luster and glory and make it fly proudly aloft in the Committee of Nations. Thank you.
Guest of honor, Madam Chandrakala Rao, the Zone Chairman, VDG-elect Govardhan Shetty, IPP Sheena Pujari, the Zone Chairman-elect for next year, Secretary, Treasurer, all the board members of Lions Club Mangalore, fellow Lions and friends. We are all in the Lions movement. We are the proud members of Lions International. Our Lions movement is governed by a set of rules, regulations, bylaws and constitution. All the programs and projects, service activities, everything we conduct in accordance with the guidance issued by the Lions International and the Lions District or the multiple. We need to observe certain protocols. During the year, we Lions Club members have to conduct certain programs which are mandatory, which are inevitable, especially like installation, governor's visit to the club, zone advisory meeting, at the district level, district installation, district convention, and we have a lot of district level functions like Onam, Deepavali, Christmas, cultural competition, music academies, Sangama. We observe many national festivals like Ganarajyotsava, Independence Day, Vanamotsava, Teachers Day, Yoga Day, Doctors Day, Engineers Day, Women's Day, past President's Month and past District Governors Month and so on. One among them is Region Chairman's visit to the club, which is also an event. We just invite a Region Chairman to our club, have a function of fun along with the Zone Chairman and other members of the clubs of our region. Today we have arranged this program only after taking the consent of Region Chairman. May 31st being the last official working day of the district, we were not able to postpone it. Our Region Chairman in the beginning agreed to have the program on 31st, but today he explained, after next day he says it's difficult for him to attend because he has to attend a private personal function. But we were not able to postpone it because by the end of the May 31st May we had to conduct this program. But there is no hard feelings. He said he will not be attending, but we'll go ahead with the other formalities. For this function, actually, region chairman should have been the chief guest, but we have our own zone chairman, zone chairperson, Madam Chandrakala Rao, as chief guest today for today's function. On behalf of all the members of Lions Club Mangalore, I extend a very hearty welcome to Madam Chandrakala Rao. With us on the dais, the Vice District Governor-elect, Mr. Gordon Shetty, MJF. He will be proceeding to Kolkata tomorrow for schooling. It's an international program. We have to wish him, we have bid him bon voyage today. For that purpose, we have invited him to the meeting. On behalf of all of you, I also welcome Lion MJF Gordon Shetty, sir. We have immediate past President Sheena Pujari, sir. I extend a very hearty welcome to you. Anil Kumar PV, sir, he has come specially on our request. I extend you a very hearty welcome, sir. Have our past district governor, Lion MJF Kishore Rao, with us. I extend you a very hearty welcome, sir. Friends from different clubs of our region, they all have come. We will recognize them in due course of time. All the lions, lion ladies, Leos, I welcome all of you who are present here in response to the invitation. Welcome one and all. Mohiddin sir, District PRO. Sir, welcome you, sir. We are giving away one sewing machine too. She has come on our request. She is from Kudroli. So we are going to hand over the sewing machine to her. Today we are giving away rupees 10,000 to the specially abled children's school, Suratkal. Our Lions members are running this school. We have with us Lion Mohiddin sir to please come and accept the check of rupees 10,000.
The best attitude. So I am extremely happy to acknowledge and appreciate this great gesture from Lions Club Mangalore. On behalf of my entire 65 disabled children of Spandana Special School Suratkal, I special thanks giving to you all. Thank you very much.
Now it's time for the important item of the day. I request our zone chairperson, Madam Chandrakala Rao, to please address the gathering.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಂಧು ಮಿತ್ರರೇ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಝೋನ್ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅನಿಲ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಇರಿಗೆ ಭಾರಿ ಮಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ತಿಕ್ಕದನು ಅಂತ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನನಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಯಿತು. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು, ಎಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜನರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ರಮೇಣ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಂದರೆ, ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ನಾನು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಎದುರಿನ ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎದುರಿನವರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದೇ ಮನಸ್ಸು. ನನ್ನ ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು, ಮಿಡ್ ಟೌನ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು, ನಾನೀಗ 1 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಝೋನ್ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಹುಶಃ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಂಧುಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಆತ್ಮೀಯತೆ ನನಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವುದಾದರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವಿಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ಕಾರಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಸರ್ತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮೈಕಿನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಆವಾಗ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾತೆತ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಣೋದು ಬೋಲೆ ಮಲ್ಲಿಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಹೋಗುದು ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವರ ಇಚ್ಛೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಷರಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಉಂಟು. ತುಂಬ ಪುವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಷರಿಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮನಸ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲೂ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಪಂದನೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ 1 ವರ್ಷದ ನನ್ನ ಝೋನ್ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್ನ ಜರ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹತ್ತಿರವಾದ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮೆಂಬರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೀಗೆ ಒಡನಾಟ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲಿವ್ ಲಯನಿಸಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
So, Mr. Raghav Padil, President of Gandhinagar Club, I request you to please come and accept a flower from us, sir. ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅನುದಾನ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆ ಹತ್ತಾವರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಯನ್ ವೀಣಾ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಅವರ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿನ ಸೋರುವಿಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದನ್ನು ತಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಿರುಗಾಣಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವೀಣಾ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದ ಮುನೀಶಿಗೆ ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ BP ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಪ್ರಮೇಯ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವರು ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಧನ ಸಹಾಯ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಟ್ರೆಷರರ್ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮುನೀಶ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅನಿತಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶಾನ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಶಾನ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎದ್ದಿದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಸರ್. ಶಾನ್.
President Lion Jairaj Prakash, Guest of Honor Lion Chandrakala Rao, PDG Kishore Rao, dignitary of the dais, my dear fellow Lion ladies, the members of the region, JLT coordinator Anil, and all other my members of Lionism. I'm here, all of a sudden he told me to induct the new member. It was a surprise to me as well. Now there are 2 things I'll tell. First of all, he wanted introduction, is not aware of it, so it's going to be introduction, self-introduction from himself, and then I'll do the induction part of it. Just for the information's sake, here they are all Lion members of the Lions Club International. Okay? There are some members who are 30 years in Lionism, 40 years in Lionism, 10 years in Lionism, 5 years in Lionism. Point number 1 is, you, first of all, can you tell me your good name, please? Ramya. Stand here.
Yeah. Shan Kumar.
Shan Kumar. What are you doing?
I am civil contractor.
Are you married?
No.
So you are a bachelor, eligible bachelor, right? Where are you working?
Mangalore itself.
And where do you stay?
Kaur.
Your parents?
Yeah, Kaur itself. Kaur.
They're in Kaur. Okay. So your brothers, sisters are there?
Yeah, brother.
Brothers. Why I'm asking all this? Because any new member who joins, the other members should know the details of this. Okay. So you are interested to join here because Narayan Kotian told, or you have to become, or interest, you know about Lainism?
I'm interested here.
You are interested, very good. You are aware of what Lainism is?
Yeah, I didn't hear you.
Are you aware of it, what Lainism is?
No, no.
No. See friends, this is what you call, because he is a young boy and with this he'll like to know each and every one of you, because I am doing this type of introduction, why basically it's easier for them to interact. See, one side iವರು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಇವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಷ್ಟು that's one part of it. And what is your hobbies?
Hobby? Not much.
Weren't you playing there in when you college days?
College days, nothing.
Acting, singing, dancing?
No.
So that means he has to learn a lot. Anyway, standing here I'll tell, because let them also see. See, what's your name? Yeah, Shan. So you should Shan se khade rehna chahiye aap. ठीक है? So one point of his Shan, this is Lions Clubs International, which is founded in the year 1917 by Melvin Jones. Okay. The details if I tell, because they all aware of it, then I'll tell you in detail afterwards. The main thing of Lionism is standing on two pillars. One is service. You saw the service done today? That service done by the contribution of the members. Point number one. And after the meeting, whatever we do, then there's called fellowship, where you have to get interaction with the people. Self-introduce yourself. New members, mind you, new members, what happens is, we old members, we keep them alive, because they are new. When you go to any college as a student, it's new for you. So you have to, what you have to do is, you have to fellowship, you have to understand each other. Okay? Later on you see how in the talent competition you can see how it is. So now I'll give a small oath to you. You stand here. When I say I, you tell your name.
Shan Kumar.
I, Shan Kumar, do hereby. Tell. You tell. But I will tell you to repeat that. Okay. Do hereby accept membership in the Lions Club of Mangalore, knowing that such membership obligates me to participate in all functions of the club to the best of my ability. I will abide by Lions Code of Ethics. Attend meetings regularly. Accept such assignments as are given to me and contribute my share both by service as well as financially
both service and financial
as to the program of my club, my district and Lions Club International. With this, now you are called as Lion Shan. Okay? Now you can accept a rose. In the meantime, I request the sponsor to please come here. First you take the oath. You can just raise your hand, right hand. I, your name. Hereby promise that I will make my member. I will make my member.
Yeah, I will make my member
As active as me.
as as active as me,
and that all he will be involving him in all the activities of the club,
involving all the actives of the club.
and he's going to be a good lion like me.
Good luck.
And he's going to be a good lion like me.
And he is going to be good lion like me in the future.
Thank you. Yes, sponsor. Now you can put the pin. Yeah, come in front. Give a rose.
Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, members of Lions Club of Mangalore, and members of various other clubs who are present over here. First and foremost, I request President Lion Jayaraj Prakash to accept my thanks for inviting me to this program, and also giving me an opportunity to do the felicitation in this program. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, every good thing has an end, and someone's end is someone else's beginning. We are at the twilight of the year 2024-25, and I take this opportunity to offer my utmost compliments to Lion Jayaraj Prakash and his team of office bearers for taking the club through the year 2024-25 fabulously. Of course, any president, any leader will be faced with the testing times and challenges, particularly a club of this size. And I presume and I guess that Lion Jayaraj Prakash has risen to the occasion and has taken the club through the year very well. My compliments once again to him and his team of office bearers. I take this opportunity to wish the District Governor-elect, Lion Kudpi Arvind Shenoy, in his absentia, and Second Vice District Governor-elect, Lion Govardhan Shetty, a great time in their respective careers in the year 2025-26. Both of them are setting on an important mission. Lion Kudpi Arvind Shenoy will be proceeding to Orlando, Florida, United States of America for participating in the district international convention, and Lion Govardhan Shetty will be proceeding to Kolkata for taking part in the All India schooling tomorrow. I wish both of them the best, and I wish both of them a great time at the respective location and in their respective mission. Without taking much of your time, I once again take this opportunity to compliment Lion Jayaraj Prakash for the fabulous job he has done in the year 2024-25. I also wish Lion Rajesh Kamath, the incoming president, and his team of office bearers a great time in the year 2025-26. And in the last but very importantly, my compliments to guest of honor, Zone Chairperson Lion Chandrakala Rao, for carrying her zone, perhaps the most important zone in District 317D, just because of the sheer presence of the oldest and perhaps the biggest club of our district, Lions Club Mangalore. Compliments to you, madam. Thank you, Lion Jay Prakash, once again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Lion Jayaraj Prakash MJF, esteemed President, Lion Chandrakala D. Rao, Zone Chairperson, guest of honor of today's program, distinguished Lion dignitaries on and off the dais, fellow Lions and family, a very good evening to all of you. Life milestones such as birthdays and anniversaries become truly unforgettable when shared with loved ones, whose warm wishes and blessings bring joy and happiness. I request our President Lion Jayaraj Prakash MJF, along with the guest of honor, Lion Chandrakala Rao, to join me in honoring those who have celebrated birthday and anniversaries in the month of May. As we recognize these special occasions, I warmly welcome the following individuals to come forward and receive a token of appreciation from our President and guest of honor. Dr. Ramila Shekhar, 2nd May, celebrating her birthday on 2nd May. 2nd May, Nishant Bajaj. 7th May, Dr. Jairam Shetty. Vinaya Rai. 15th May, Dr. Prabhakar Rao. 15th May, Jairaj Prakash. 15th May, Vinod D'Souza. 16th May, Narsimha Bhandarkar. 16th May, T. Umanath Shetty. 19th May, Apurva Naik. 20th May, Pradeep Kumar. 21st May, Asif Mohammed. 21st May, Nagaraj Sharma. 21st May, Dr. Naveen Kumar. Suresh P. Kini. 27th May, Jagdish H.P. 29th May, Krishnanda Pai. 29th May, Renault Santosh Kumar. 3rd May, Alice Lobo. 7th May, Chetana, wife of Arun Kumar Srinivas Murthy. 12th May, Tulsi, wife of Mohandas G. Kundar. 20th May, Padmini S. Rao, wife of Srinivas Rao. 21st May, K. Lakshmi Bharati, wife of K. Venkatesh. 24th May, Prafulla D'Souza, wife of Roshan Hubert Castellino. 27th May, Anusuya, wife of Anand Attawar. 31st May, Veena Ganesh, wife of Ganesh Prasad. Leos, Alaric D'Souza, son of Frederick D'Souza, 2nd May. 4th May, Shaz Moin Abdullah, son of Abu Bakr Siddiq. 6th May, Leanne Equinas, daughter of Paul Equinas. 8th May, Pavitra Rao, daughter of B.S. Vinod Rao. 9th May, Karen Tellis, daughter of Premlal Tellis. 12th May, Disha Rao, daughter of Dinesh Rao. 13th May, Adrian D'Souza, son of Frederick D'Souza. 14th May, Aima Shetty, daughter of Arun Shetty. 16th May, Aradhana Nayak, daughter of Maruti Nayak. 28th May, Karthik Chinnappa, son of K.M. Chinnappa. 30th May, Anusha D'Souza, daughter of Frederick D'Souza. 31st May, Vismay, son of Vivek and Apurva Nayak. Wedding anniversaries. 1st May, Venkatesh N. Baliga with Vidya V. Baliga. 1st May, M. Girish Kumar with Vidya K. 3rd May, Raghuvir Rao H. with Lata Rao. 4th May, Dr. Shripati Rao B.H. with Suchitra S. Rao. 5th May, Yogesh Kumar Jappu with Gayatri Yogesh. 6th May, Ekalavya J. Rai with Sarika E. Rai. 6th May, Dr. Santosh K. Shastri with Kavita Shastri. 6th May, Dinesh C.P. with Regina Dinesh. 6th May, Prakash Bhandari with Basha Bhandari. 6th May, Marti Nayak with Dr. Sindhu Nayak. 6th May, Ramdas Ji Nayak with Rajeshri Ji Nayak. 7th May, Monappa Shetty with Komala M. Shetty. 8th May, Dr. Aravind Rao with Gayatri A. Rao. 9th May, Arun Shetty M. with Indira Shetty. 9th May, Ganesh Prasad with Veena. 9th May, K. Venkatesh with K. Lakshmi Bharati. 11th May, Prabhakar Rao with Vishalakshi P. Rao. 11th May, Prabhakar Rao with Vishalakshi P. Rao. 11th May, Sheena S. Pujari with Sureka S. Pujari. 11th May, Everest Richard Pinto with Joyce Yvette Mala Pinto. 12th May, Mohandas G. Kundar with Tulsi. 13 May T. Umanath Shetty. 15 May Nagraj Sharma with Arati Sharma. 18 May Vital Shetty with Vijaya Shetty. 19 May Varada Raj Baliga with Pratima Baliga. 20th May Asif Mohammed with Lubna Asif. 21st May Srinivas Rao and with Padmini S. Rao. 21st May M. Narendranath Nayak with Namita. 22nd May Govardhan K. Shetty with Suprita G. Shetty. 22nd May Rajesh U with Shailaja Rajesh. 22nd May Kishore Chandra Egde with Vinuta Egde. 24th May Dr. Shantaram Shetty with Vasanti. 25th Manoj. 25th May Ashish Sequera with Deepa Sequera. 26th May Sudama Ray with Vanita S. Ray. 28th May Ramakrishna Adantaya with Vijaya R. Adantaya. 31st May Premananda Karant with Sharada Karant. Thank you.
And Vismay Kumar, I request them to please come to the dais and cut the cake and distribute to all the members. Vismay, come with the parents. Veena Ganesh. It's the lucky people who are celebrating their birthday. On the same day,
Pooja Bandaga is celebrating her birthday in the month of May. I request her father to come and accept a rose.
no, not that. I just wanted to congratulate Satyendra Bhandarkar. Satyendra Bhandarkar ji, welcome back. So last but not the least, I request our secretary, Ravi Shankar Rai, to propose vote of thanks.
It is rather a matter of great pleasure for us to note that our zone chairperson Chandrakala D. Rao, guest of honor, is with us. He has spent her valuable time with us. We express our gratitude to you, madam, for being with us. And also, we recognize the participation of many from district cabinet, especially Anil Kumar and Moidin and others, and we all appreciate and express our selfless gratitude to you also. We are really honored by your gracious presence. And Bharati Pushparajan, they have worked day and night, and we express our thanks to them from bottom of our heart. Pushparajan to come out to the dais and receive a rose. Members' participation, this function won't be a success, and we witness a lot of members visiting clubs, and we express our sincere gratitude to all the members who have come here and grace the occasion. Thank you one and all.
Thank you.
A new foot forward for the year 25, 26 on the 5th of July. In the same venue, I request all of you to please come and bless us and grace the occasion and to support us in this endeavor as we move across into a new time, a new year and a new beginning. Thank you one and all for the opportunity.
Thank you. Lions Club Mangalore, Jayaraj Prakash adjourned this meeting for fellowship and dinner. But dinner, before that we have Lions Talent Show. Dinner will start only after 9:30. Request you all of you to please be seated. And
one title song from the movie Jungly. Anybody? One title song from the movie Jungly. Anybody? Surekha, you know? Ah, yes, correct. Chahe koi mujhe jangli kahe. Yahoo! Congratulations, Surekha. The next question is, I will tell it in English, you all must translate it in Hindi. A song it is. Oh moon, come down to the earth. Someday we will sit down and have a chat. Oh moon, come down to the earth. Oh moon and moon, come down to the earth. I repeat, oh moon, moon. No. Anybody? Anybody? Tell Apurva. Very good. Chandare, chandare, kabhi to zami par aa, baithenge baatein karenge. Very good. Here you have. I will give you one Kannada word and you all must sing a song. One Kannada word. Battali. Vitavana. Battali. Kannada word it is and a Kannada song also. Battali. Battali. Bottle, Battali. In Kannada it is Battali. Where is Battali in that? Kannada word Battali. ಆ ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಬಾಟಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೂವಿ ಸಾಂಗ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಠವಣ್ಣ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಖಾಲಿ ಪೀಲಿ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಲೈಫು ಹಾಕಿದ ವೈಫು
ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಖಾಲಿ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫು.
Dance, and so you'll be appreciating my singing as well. I know I'm not that bad singer, but I'll try to entertain you guys. I need a small cheer, please. Yeah. Yes, thank you. Dance, dance, let's dance. Dance, dance, let's dance. Yes, hands in the air please, claps. Yes. Those who want to dance, they can also come on the stage and dance. Yes. ये रात में जो मज़ा है कुछ नया नया है कि दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता ही जा रहा है. झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा. ये रात में जो मज़ा है कुछ नया नया है कि दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता ही जा रहा है. झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा. sir. देर आए दुरुस्त आए. ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा है कुछ नया नया है. ये दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता ही जा रहा है. झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा. स्टेज भी झूम रहा है शायद, इसलिए वो भी गिर रहा है. You danced so heavy that also fell down. I hope nothing else falls after you dance. क्या सुरूर छा रहा है, क्या खुशी उमड़ रही है. डांस डांस, ड्रम पे ताप बढ़ रही है, हार्ट बीट बढ़ रही है. डांस डांस, क्या सुरूर छा रहा है, क्या खुशी उमड़ रही है. डांस डांस, ड्रम पे ताप बढ़ रही है, हार्ट बीट बढ़ रही है. डांस डांस, ये जवानी ये जमाना ऐसे घूमे खुशी का. ये जवानी ये जमाना ऐसे घूमे खुशी का. झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा. ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा है कुछ नया नया है. कि दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता ही जा रहा है. झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you everyone.
हेलो.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता सिमट रही है तू शर्मा के अपनी बाहों में, सिमट रही है तू शर्मा के अपनी बाहों में। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तू मुझे चाहे कि उम्र भर ही उठेगी मेरी तरफ प्यार की नजर यूं ही। मैं जानता हूँ कि तू गैर है मगर यूं ही। मैं जानता हूँ कि तू गैर है मगर यूं ही। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है। थैंक यू सो मच।
We've been hearing your song. We are waiting for this moment. Thank you, sir. And next song is
बुजुर्गों ने फरमाया कि पैरों पे अपने खड़े हो के दिखलाओ, फिर ये जमाना तुम्हारा है। जमाने के सुरताल के साथ चलते चले जाओ, फिर हर तराना तुम्हारा, फसाना तुम्हारा है। अरे तो लो भैया हम अपने पैरों के ऊपर खड़े हो गए और मिला ली है ताल, दबा लेगा दांतों तले उंगलियां लियां, ये जहां देख कर अपनी चाल। धन्यवाद। के पग घुंघरू के पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी। के पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी और हम नाचे बिन घुंघरू के पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी। वो तीर भला किस काम का है जो तीर निशाने से झुके 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 रे, के पग घुंघरू पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी, पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी नाची थी नाची थी नाची थी। हाँ, के पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी। सा सा ग ग रे रे सा नि 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 सा सा सा, सा 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 ग ग रे रे सा नि 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 सा सा सा, ग ग ग प प म म ग रे रे ग ग ग, पानी सा पानी सा म पानी म पानी रे 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 ग रे ग रे ग रे ग रे ग प प प प प म ग रे धने 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 दा दा धने दा दा धने दा दा धने दा 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 नि दा दा नि दा दा नि दा दा प म प म ग म ग रे ग रे धरे धने धरे दा ग रे ग रे ग रे म ग म ग म प म प म ग रे धने दा दा प म ग रे धने दा दा प म ग रे धने दा दा। आप अंदर से कुछ और बाहर से कुछ और नजर आते हैं, बाखुदा शक्ल से तो चोर नजर आते हैं। उम्र गुजरी है सारी चोरी में, सारे सुख चैन बंद जुर्म की तिजोरी में। आपका तो लगता सपना, राम राम जपना पराया माल अपना, आपका तो लगता है बस यही सपना, राम राम जपना पराया माल अपना। वतन का खाया नमक तो नमक हलाल बनो, फर्ज ईमान की जिंदा यहाँ मिसाल बनो, पराया धन पराई नार पे नजर मत डालो, बुरी आदत है ये आदत अभी बदल डालो, क्योंकि ये आदत तो वो आग है जो एक दिन अपना घर फूके 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 रे के पग घुंघरू, पग घुंघरू बाद मेरा नाची थी, पग घुंघरू बाद मेरा नाची थी नाची थी नाची थी नाची थी, हाँ के पग घुंघरू बाद मेरा नाची थी।
Of clapping and applause. Thank you, audience. And I know that you all have judged it. I have no words of appreciation for him. Thank you. This is the Hindi song, Tell Me. Offer yourself to bring a smile to some. Performed by Lion Venkatesh Baliga, Lion Rajesh Kamath, Lion Ravi Shankar Rai, and Lion Narayan Kotian. Thank you.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है, किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं, माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं, मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बाहर के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
We now come to the romantic couple dancers, and they're about to take you on the music journey, memory down the lane. We have the most loving and the very famous couple dancers, that is our past district governor, Lion Kishore Da and Lion Mallika Rao.
गुलाबी आँखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया, संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया।
गुलाबी आँखें जो मेरी देखी, दीवाना है दिल हो गया, संभालो खुद को ज़रा पहचानो, ये जीना मुश्किल हो गया।
दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे, तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे, तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ, आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे, मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का
ladies and gentlemen.
We have the bubbly and enthusiastic Bharati, along with her ever-smiling husband, a man with a strong will and positive attitude, Pushparajan, dancing to the beautiful number from the film Roja, Ye Hasi Wadiya, Ye Khula Asman. Enjoy the Tamil version of the song.
இந்த கொள்ளை நிலா உடல் நனைகின்றது இங்கு சொல்லாத இடம் கூட குளிர்கின்றது மனம் சூடான இடம் தேடி அலைகின்றது
இந்த கொள்ளை நிலா உடல் நனைகின்றது
Wow! How's the Josh, folks? Hi, good. Now to take you to more, the Josh to the next level, we have the dancing superstars of our club. The multi-talented Rajesh Kamath and the nightingale of our club, Rachana. They'll be dancing to the foot-tapping number Senorita from the film Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Over to you, Rachana and Rajesh.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा मगर फिर भी ना जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझी ना सेन्योरिटा चाहे
the rhythm of Qawwali. And here we have the cutest and the made for each other couple, Lion Govardhan Shetty, future district governor, and Suprita Ji Shetty. And the chemistry and coordination of Lion Govardhan Shetty is simply mesmerizing. Let's wait and watch.
शबाब पे मैं जरा सी शराब फेंकूंगा, किसी हंसी की तरफ ये गुलाब फेंकूंगा। पर्दा है 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 पर्दा पर्दा है पर्दा, पर्दे के पीछे पर्दा नशी है, पर्दा नशी को बेपर्दा ना कर दूंगा, पर्दा पर्दा नशी को बेपर्दा ना कर दूं तो अकबर मेरा नाम नहीं है। पर्दा है पर्दा पर्दा है पर्दा है, पर्दे के पीछे पर्दा नशी है, पर्दा नशी को बेपर्दा ना कर दूं तो अकबर मेरा नाम नहीं है। पर्दा है पर्दा पर्दा है पर्दा। जिधर लोग भी उधर देखें, कहाँ ठहरती है जाकर मेरी नजर देखें। मेरे ख्वाबों की शहजादी मैं हूँ अकबर इलाहाबादी, मैं शायर हूँ हसीनों का, मैं आशिक महजबीनों का। तेरा दामन तेरा दामन तेरा दामन 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 तेरा दामन न छोड़ूंगा, मैं हर चिलमन 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 मैं हर चिलमन को तोड़ूंगा। ना डर जालिम जमाने से, अदा से या बहाने से, जरा अपनी सूरत दिखा दे, समा खूबसूरत बना दे, नहीं तो तेरा नाम लेके तुझे कोई इल्जाम देके तुझको इस महफिल में रुसवा ना कर दूं, रुसवा तुझको इस महफिल में रुसवा ना कर दूं। हाँ, पर्दा नशी को बेपर्दा ना कर दूं तो अकबर मेरा नाम नहीं है। पर्दा है पर्दा पर्दा है पर्दा, पर्दे के पीछे पर्दा नशी है, पर्दा नशी को बेपर्दा ना कर दूं तो अकबर मेरा नाम नहीं है। पर्दा है पर्दा पर्दा है पर्दा।